Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do -3's homework solution. Okay, so B row we already did in the class, A row I gave you homework. So let's look at the solution today. So where I'm going to apply the formula of -3, wherever I will not have enough beats left to do -3, right? And what I will do that time? I will do -5 plus 2. Let's look how. First question, 3 plus 4 and -3. So 3 plus 4. Do I have beats for 4? No. So my formula for 4 is plus 5 minus 1. This we have already learned, right? Today what we will learn? -3. Okay, so my formula of -3. See, I am not able to do -3 here. 3 plus 4 I did, I got 7. Now I have to do -3. Can I see any beats for -3? No, right? So my formula is -5 plus 2. Just like the other questions, we apply the formula for the number when it's not there. Similarly, we will do for -3. Next, 2 plus 3. Now plus 3. No beats for plus 3. So, formula of plus 3 plus 5 minus 2. Then -3. No beats for -3. So, -5 plus 2. Answer is 2. Next, 4, 1. No beats for 1. So, plus 5 minus 4. Now, -3. No beats for -3. So, -5 plus 2. My answer is 2. Next, 3 plus 2. No 2. So, plus 5 minus 3. Then -3. For -3, -5 plus 2. My answer is 2. Next, 4 plus 2. I can't add 2. So, plus 5 minus 3. Then -3 in the question. I can't do -3. So, -5 plus 2. My answer is 3. Wherever I am not able to apply the formula of the number, wherever I am not able to add the number or subtract the number, I am applying its formula, right? So, if you still have any doubt, guys, you can let me know. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye-bye.